Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Start by exiting settings and scrolling down right away. Then choose System, Languages and Input on Screen Keyboard, and finally Keyboard. Click on Theme over here and tap on Show More to see all available options. When you're ready, download one of those images by tapping on the chosen one. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on and tap Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!